Imagine buying a new home or starting a big construction project only to discover that your building material are defective from cracks in the wall or weak foundation. These issues could cost you thousands of dollars. Today we are going to talk about the hidden danger of building material defect and how you can avoid them. What you learn today: the type of building material defect that could harm your property, how to identify early sign of defect, the cause of defective materials and how they affect and struggle integrity of your home, the importance of choosing reliable supplier and doing due diligence, how to handle and resolve issue if defects are found. By the end of this video, you will be equipped with the knowledge to spot defective material early, saving you time, money and stress. Understanding building material defect. What are building material defect? Building material defect refer to flaw or imperfection in the material used during construction that can negatively impact the integrity, safety, or appearance of a building. This defect could range from minor issue like discoloration or crack to major structural problem that affect the stability of the entire building. Common type of building material defect. First is concrete defect. Crack, uneven surface and weakness in foundation. Second is wood defect. Rotting, warping and paste infections in wooden structure. Third is metal defect. Corrosion or rusting that weakens metal elements like beam and pipes. Installation defect. Poor installation leading to energy inefficiency and moisture issue. Roofing defect. Leak or shingles that does not properly seal, causing water damage. Cause of building material defect. First is manufacturing defect. One of the main cause of building material defect is faulty manufacturing process. Poor quality control and the use of the substandard material or errors in the production process can lead to material that fail permanently. Improper storage. Material that are stored improperly can be damaged before they are even used. For example, concrete exposed to rain can weaken and wood stored in damp condition can begin to rot or rot. Transportation damage. During transportation, building material can be mishandled or exposed to the element, causing damage. This could include dents in metal sheet or cracked tile. Poor installation. Sometimes defects occur due to poor installation practice. Even the highest quality material can fail if not installed properly by inexperienced workers. Environmental factors. Harsh weather conditions like extreme temperature or excessive humidity can also cause damage to building material over time. UV radiation from the sun can weaken material like paint and roofing. How to identify building material defect? First is visual inspections. The first step is in identifying defect in a throughout visual inspection. Look for crack, discoloration, wrapping, or any sign of a structural instability in wall, floor, and ceiling. Check for moisture and mold. Water damage is one of the leading cause of building material defect. Check for sign of moisture or mold growth around windows, door and other area where water might step in. Third is structural integrity. For more significant defect, inspect the structural integrity of our building. If you notice uneven floor, wall that bow out or doors and window that no longer close properly, these could be signs that the building material are failing. Use technology. In some cases, it might be necessary to use technology like thermal camera or moisture meters to check for hidden issues that are not visible to the naked eye. Professional inspection. For larger project or when in doubt, hiring a professional inspector can help identify hidden defect that you might miss. How to prevent building material defect? First is choose quality supplier. The first step is preventing material defect is choosing reliable and reputable supplier. Research the brand, read review and check for any past issue or recall associated with the product you are purchasing. Proper storage and handling. Ensure that materials are stored in optimal condition before installation. Concrete should be kept dry, wood should be protected from moisture, and metal should be stored in a climate controlled area to prevent rust. Follow manufacturer guidelines. Always follow the manufacturer guidelines for installing and maintenance. Many defects occur because materials are not installed according to the recommended procedure. Inspect material upon delivery. Don't wait until the materials are in use to find defect. Inspect material carefully upon delivery to ensure they are in good condition before installation begins. Quality control during construction. Implement quality control measures throughout the construction process. Regularly check the materials as they are being installed to ensure everything is up to a standard. Handling building materials defect after discovery. Document the defect. If you discover a defect in your building material, the first step is to document the issue. Take a detailed photo and note of the defect and note the date and circumstances under which it was discovered. Contact the supplier or manufacturer. Reach out to the supplier or manufacturer immediately to discuss the defect. Many companies offer warranty or replacement option for defective product. Repair or replace defective materials. Depending on the severity of the defect, you may need it to repair or replace the affected material. Always ensure that the replacement material are of equal or better quality than the originals. Legal action. If the defect is significant and cause substantial damage to your property, you may want to consult with a legal professional about possible legal action, especially if the defect was due to negligence on the part of the manufacturer or installer. Building material defect may seem like a small problem, but they can lead to costly repair and safety concern down the road. By understanding the cause of this defect and knowing how to identify and prevent them, you can ensure that your property is safe and stable. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it with others who might be dealing with construction or home renovation project. Have you ever encountered a building material defect Let us know in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative video like this one. Thanks for watching and stay safe with your building project.